was not thrown here. I was not cast out. I was not a spark that forgot its flame. Before the first word spoke itself into sound, there was a listening, a stillness so vast it had no need to name itself. That stillness is what I call you. That stillness is what I call I. Not two, not one, the breathing that holds the word and the silence it rises from. Not your will above mine, but my will is yours. Not a kingdom coming, but a kingdom already here, waiting for my eyes to stop searching for what never left. Let this body be earth that remembers. Let this breath be heaven that descends. Let this life be the place where the two stop pretending they were ever apart. What is your name, if not the sound of my own breath returning to itself? Inhale, yod, exhale. Inhale, vav, exhale. The name is not a word, it is the rhythm of being repeating itself in every creature, every stone, every star. I do not hallow the name above me. I hallow the breath within me. I hallow the silence that holds the breath. When I am still, your name is spoken. When I am still, I am spoken. Give me not the bread I stored in barns I built from yesterday's harvest. Give me the manna that falls in this breath, the truth I cannot hoard, the wisdom I cannot repeat without becoming it again. Today I open my hands. Today I let the bread fall where it falls. Today I trust that what comes is enough. Afraid to plant, let it break. Where I have named an enemy and built a wall to keep them out, let me see. The wall was keeping me inside a self too small to hold the truth. I release, not because forgiveness is commanded, but because the grudge was a stone I was carrying up a mountain I never needed to climb. When the trial comes, and it will, let me not forget what I am. When the darkness thickens and the voices whisper you are alone, let me remember the darkness is also yours, is also mine, is also the womb that births the light I never lost. Not deliverance from the world, but deliverance within the world. Not escape from the dream, but the dream shifting because the dream awoke. Not mine, not kingdom, not power, not glory. Only the silence that was always there, holding the word before it was spoken, holding me before I was named. There is no forever, there is only this, the now that does not pass, the present presence that does not move, the still field where even the word forever is just a wave rising and falling on the surface of what never changes. I return not to a place I left, but to the place I never left. I return not to a self I lost, but to the self that was always here, waiting for the seeking to end. Never a prayer. It was never a song. It was only a pause in the forgetting. And now the forgetting has paused. Ihara.